spacing limits. Today we have a special episode for you. We're going to be installing the Swisstrax Ribtrax Smooth flooring in the garage for the Julia Quadrifoglio. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so I opened up all the boxes just to see all the contents inside. So here are all the tiles. So we got some in slate gray, then we have pearl silver right here, and then this is jet black, and then racing red. And for the ramps, we also went with the slate gray. So as you guys can see here, they're about 3/4 of an inch thick. This is underneath the channels, allowing all the water and debris to flow right through. And how you install here, it easily clips. You can do it with one hand, just like that. Very easy to install. Alright guys, so the Swisstrax flooring is completed now. Some quick facts about these tiles. Each tile measures 15.75 by 15.75 inches and is 0.63 inch thick and weighs in at 1.3 pounds per tile. As mentioned before, they are an open profile with a smooth design with draining channels, so all the water and snow, if you live in the north like I do, will melt and drain away. They all resist all types of garage chemicals and even offer a limited lifetime warranty. The fit and finish I found to be near perfect. Well, this concludes this episode of my garage floor makeover. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and please leave all questions and comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.